Hello, my planner friends. It's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my planner video for the week of March 23rd through the 29th. And this week I decided to kind of keep with my green theme. I already had this pre-planned before all this coronavirus stuff happened. So I'm just going to go ahead and go with it. And don't know how relevant it will be to this week, but I kind of think it's a little bit ironic, actually, um, what I had originally had planned. So let's go ahead and jump in and see what I created. So the first thing that I did was I just covered up, they had like purple lines on the planner, so I just went ahead and covered those up with some navy type colored washi. And I've been doing that in the last couple of videos, so I figured I'd just go ahead and start with that. So I went ahead and did that piece. Now I want to let you know this video, or the recording for this, only took me 23 minutes. Typically it takes me about an hour to do my plan with me's, but the recorded footage was about 23 minutes. Obviously I cut it down to like almost 9 minutes. So I'm just gonna basically talk through kind of the process um, and kind of talk a little bit about why I feel like this particular kind of planner theme was a little bit apropos. Is that the right word I'm looking for? Not sure, but um, basically the theme that I was going to go for is like memories and being together and kind of like more of a like treasure the time that we have together. And ironically, I feel like it's pretty appropriate given what's going on in the world today. The fact that we really can't be together. It's kind of one of those things where um, I think if you guys watch my channel, you will know that I'm a woman of faith, and I definitely believe that God has his hand in everything I do. And I feel like, this particular planner theme seems pretty appropriate. It's kind of like a reminder to me that even though we can't be together, we still can be together. I think that we can be together through YouTube. I mean, I did a live video on Saturday, and granted, not a lot of people watched the live video, but I feel like it was kind of a way for me to reach out and kind of connect with people. I've been connecting with people on Google Hangouts and FaceTime, and I think it's really super important for us to remember through this time that just because we can't physically be together doesn't mean that we can't be together. There's a lot of people out there in the world that don't have anybody, and I think it's really super important for us to reach out to people that are in our lives, whether that's elderly or single women or people that live alone, just to tell them that we remember you, that you're not forgotten, and that this too shall pass. And so I don't know. I feel like it's pretty. It'll be a good reminder for me this week as I plan however I'm going to plan. I'm not even sure what that's going to look like. I hardly wrote anything in my planner last week, but it'll be a good reminder when I do to look at it to remind myself that I do need to reach out to. I do need to not, even though I am isolated, I'm not isolated, because I do have people that are in my life that love me and care about me and want to be there for me. So as you can see in the planner, I'm just basically cutting up the paper. This is actually real time. I did not speed this up at all, because when I did speed it up, the video became like less than 6 minutes long, and I just wanted to not make it that short. So this is literally real time. I'm just cutting up the paper in the middle. I really had a hard time getting motivated to even do this. So the fact that I have something on the planner, I'm super happy about, because as I said at the very beginning of the year, I really do want to have a planner layout for every single month. And I am probably going to be tracking, like what I'm thinking I'm probably going to plan this week is Probably like a lot of meal prep, like what did I eat for dinner? What movies did I watch? What TV shows did I watch? Not really going to track a lot about the coronavirus. I'm not really going to talk about that stuff in my planner in regards to like numbers and things like that. But I'm going to, you know, track like when I talk to my mom and my sister on FaceTime, or when I, do crafty stuff, or things like that. So I am currently working still, so I'm able to work from home, and I'm very thankful for that. So thankfully, I'm able to work from home, and thankfully, my son is also able to work from home. So, um, during the days I will be working, and then, when that is over, I'll be able to have some time to craft and, like I said, kind of reach out to those people that are in my life. So that is mainly what my planner video is going to be about this week. My planner spread. All right, so here you can see I'm just taking my glue dots tape adhesive runner here, and I'm just going to go ahead and get the papers glued down, and that's really all the paper I use in this video. I do end up covering up the little saying that's on the bottom with some additional paper, the blue paper, but I'll do that actually in sticker time, so you'll see that here in a second when I do that. And yeah, so I would love to see in your comments what you're doing, what kind of crafting you're doing. Know that I'm going to continue doing these videos, so I hope it kind of brings you some little bit of joy in your life, even for this little 8 minutes. Hopefully you forget about what's going on, or can at least know that somebody's out there thinking about you. So let's go ahead and go into sticker time. All right, so I didn't do a journaling card this time. Just going to go ahead and put it in the planner. And that's basically what I've got for you today. Again, I'm praying for you guys. Leave me a comment. Every comment I'm seeing, I'm praying for each and every single one of you. So I hope that you guys have a good week. Thanks.